Welcome back student to our online classes. Here is Deshmukh sir with the new topic for you today. But before that, Happy New Year all of you. Students, today we are going to discuss our second unit, second chapter, which is the Song of Songs. Okay? What is the name of our chapter? The Song of Songs. When you hear the title of our chapter, the Song of Songs, what comes in your mind? Yes, exactly. When you hear the title of our chapter, you think about music, songs, or Bollywood movies or other movies, Marathi movies and other songs. So, in this chapter, we have given warming up chit chat. Our first question is, do you like to listen to music songs? Our first question is, do you like to listen to music or songs? This is a very common question because all of us like listen to music and songs. We can write our answers like this. Yes, I like to listen to music in my free time. When we are free, we listen music or songs. Our next question is, what types of songs do you sing? Read carefully. What types of songs do you sing? So, you can write the answer like this. I sing songs. Listen carefully. I sing songs of Hindi Bollywood movies. If you like Hindi Bollywood movies songs, you can write answer like this. I sing songs of Hindi Bollywood movies. But if you like Marathi movies and Marathi songs, you can write I sing song of Marathi movies. So, next our question is, who is your favorite singer? Our next question is, who is your favorite singers? So, the answer of this question is, you can write in two types. My favorite singer is Shreya Ghoshal. If you like female singer, you can write female singer's name. Here, I write my favorite singer's name. I like in female singer Shreya Ghoshal, so I like here my favorite singer is Shreya Ghoshal. And if you like male singer than female singer, so you can write answer. My favorite singer is Sonu Nigam. My favorite singer is Sonu Nigam. Our next question is, when do you sing? Our next question is, when do you sing? Here you have to write answer or time when you sing a song. So you can write answer like this. Whenever I am free. When we are free, we sing a song. Whenever I am free and I get time, I sing. Our next question is, do you practice singing under the guidance of a guru? I repeat, do you practice singing under the guidance of a guru? So, these questions you can write like this. No, I do not practice singing under the guidance of a guru. If you don't practicing under the guidance of a guru, you write answer like this. No, I do not practice singing under the guidance of guru. But if you practice singing under the guidance of guru, you can write answer like this. Yes, I practice singing under the guidance of guru. Our next question is, what is the difference between folk music and classical music? Here I underline two types, classical music and folk music. So the answer of this question is classical music is considered an art of from which has evolved over year. Classical music is considered an art of from which has evolved over year. And the folk music, where is the folk music is considered? Where is the folk music is considered as more traditional? Folk music is traditional form of art. Next question is write down the names of 5 to 6 Indian musical instruments. Indian musical instruments which are used in Indian music or Indian songs, and those used in Western music, like Western musical instruments name which are used in Western music. So I have written here 7 name of Indian musical instruments, and here I have written 7 Western musical instruments which are used in Western musical songs or movies. So our first Indian musical instrument is tabla. Our first Indian musical instrument is tabla. Tabla looks like this. So next our second Indian musical instrument is mridangam. Our second musical instrument is mridangam. Mridangam looks like this. So next our Indian musical instrument is shehnai. Our next Indian musical instrument is shehnai. Then our fourth numbers Indian musical instrument is sitar. Fourth numbers Indian musical instrument is sitar. Sitar looks like. Next our Indian musical instrument is sarangi. Then 6 numbers our Indian musical instrument is flute. 6 numbers our Indian musical instrument is flute. Then 7th numbers Indian musical instrument is harmonium. 7th numbers Indian musical instrument is harmonium. These are 7 Indian musical instruments. Then our first Western musical instrument is drum. Our first Western musical instrument is drum. Second is violin. Second Western musical instrument is violin. Then our third Western musical instrument is piano. Our third Western musical instrument is piano. Then our next Western musical instrument is keyboard. Our next Western musical instrument is keyboard. And then harp is our next Western musical instrument. Harp is our next Western musical instrument. Then 6 numbers Western musical instrument is cello. 6 numbers Western musical instrument is cello. And our last Western musical instrument is guitar. Last Western musical instrument is guitar. Our next question is a rag or ragas. Rag or raga is a music piece. Rag or raga is a music piece in Indian classical music, rag or raga, is a music piece in Indian classical music which is sung or played in a fixed combination of 5 to 6 basic musical notes. So, from any singer, you can find out or you can ask about rag or ragas on any singer or any musician or the internet. You can use internet, you can find out on internet and write down the names of any 5 ragas and what occasion they are best sung. So I can find it or search some examples of ragas and what occasion they are best sung. So first our rag is rag Malkans, and rag Malkans is sung in late night. Sung in late night. Second our rag is rag Bhairavi. Our second rag is rag Bhairavi, and rag Bhairavi sung in the morning. Rag Bhairavi sung in the morning, early in the morning. Next our rag is rag Purvi, and rag Purvi best sung in afternoon. In afternoon. So this is the very helpful information about ragas and occasions when ragas are best